To start using the pencil tool in Affinity, just head over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click the little pencil icon, or hit the shortcut N, and from that moment on, everything you draw becomes a smooth, natural-looking freehand line that reacts to how fast or how hard you draw, giving you that classic hand-drawn feel even if you're brand new to digital art. Once the tool is selected, click and drag on your canvas, and you'll notice that Affinity automatically adds tiny points called nodes along your stroke, which basically keep your line editable forever. If your lines look a little shaky, totally normal for beginners, tap the stabilizer option on the top toolbar. Rope mode feels like your cursor is connected to a rope, slowing your movement for steadier lines with sharp corners when needed, while window mode averages your hand movement into ultra-smooth curves. You can also turn on sculpt mode, which is super beginner-friendly because it lets you fix or extend a line simply by drawing over it. No deleting or restarting, just draw and reshape. If you're using a mouse, switch your controller to velocity so the line thickens when you move faster. If you've got a pressure-sensitive tablet, choose pressure so your strokes get naturally thicker or thinner depending on how hard you press, just like real pencil drawing. You can open the stroke panel to adjust your stroke color, width, caps, joins, or even pick a textured brush from the Path Brushes panel for a more artistic look. For people who like cleaner shapes, the Use Fill option automatically fills the inside of any concave area you draw, which is amazing for quick sketches or cartoon-style artwork. Beginners also love the Curve Fitting option. Slide it left to keep every tiny wobble you made, or slide it right to smooth things out so your drawing looks professionally polished. If you're sketching shapes, the Auto Close settings let you decide how your stroke should finish. Off means it stays open. Near or far will close the stroke when your end gets close to the starting point. And Always will close every shape for you automatically. And don't forget the Keep Selected toggle. Leave it on so each new stroke stays active, making it easier to tweak colors or width before moving on. With all these beginner-friendly tools working together, the pencil tool becomes a super intuitive way to draw anything from simple doodles to refined illustrations. And once you master these settings, your workflow becomes fast, smooth, and super satisfying. So if this breakdown helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more easy Affinity tutorials, and stick around for more tips that'll level up your design game.